Are you a woman looking to start your own business in 2025 but not sure where to begin? Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, or already working a 9-to-5 job, today I'm going to share with you 5 of the best small business ideas for women in 2025. These aren't just random suggestions. I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap, real-world examples, and exactly how much you can expect to earn. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to take your first step toward financial independence. Idea number 1, online coaching and consulting, education skills business. Roadmap, identify your strongest skill or expertise, fitness, nutrition, business, marketing, parenting, career advice, etc. Package your knowledge into one-on-one coaching sessions, group classes, or recorded courses. Build your personal brand on Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Use platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Zoom to deliver classes. Start small with free workshops, collect testimonials, scale with paid offers. Example, Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, started teaching digital marketing basics online. She began with free webinars for moms in her network. Earning potential, beginner, $500 to $1,500 per month. Intermediate, $3,000, $7,000 per month. Advanced, $10,000+ per month. If you've got knowledge or expertise in any field, online coaching can help you turn that into serious income in 2025. Idea number 2, home-based food business. Roadmap, pick a niche, healthy snacks, baked goods, traditional cuisine, or meal prep. Test recipes with friends, family, take feedback. Get necessary food handling permits, varies by location in the US, UK, Canada. Use Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, and Uber Eats, DoorDash to reach customers. Expand by offering catering services or partnering with local cafes. Example, Priya in Toronto started selling homemade vegan desserts from her kitchen. At first, she sold only to friends. She then created a simple Instagram page with reels showing her baking process. Within 6 months, she was supplying desserts to 3 cafes and making $4,000 a month. Earning potential, small scale, $1,000, $3,000 per month. Medium scale, $4,000, $7,000 per month. Large scale, with catering cafe contracts, $10,000 a month. And the best part? You don't need a huge investment, just your cooking skills and some creativity. Idea number 3, e-commerce and online boutique, dropshipping or handmade products. Roadmap, choose a profitable niche, fashion, jewelry, skincare, eco-friendly products, or home decor. Decide the model, handmade products, Etsy, Shopify, Amazon Handmade. Dropshipping, low upfront cost, partner with suppliers. Build an online store using Shopify or Etsy. Market through Instagram Reels, Pinterest, TikTok, and influencer collabs. Scale with paid ads once you have organic traction. Example, Emily from London launched a handmade jewelry brand on Etsy. She focused on eco-friendly packaging and marketed via TikTok. Within a year, one of her designs went viral, and now she makes over $12,000 a month with her boutique. Earning potential, beginner, $500, $2,000 per month. Growing, $5,000, $10,000 per month. Viral success, $20,000+ per month. In 2025, online shopping is only getting bigger, which makes e-commerce one of the most powerful ways for women to build financial freedom. Idea number 4, social media management and content creation roadmap. Learn the basics of Instagram growth, TikTok trends, and YouTube content planning. Offer services like managing posts, creating reels, or running ad campaigns. Target small businesses that don't have time to manage social media. Use freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn to find clients. Build your own portfolio by first helping friends or local businesses for free low fees. Example, Jessica from New York started managing Instagram accounts for 2 local cafes. She charged $500 per month each. By year 2, she was managing 8 clients at $1,000 a month, making $8,000 a month, all from home. Earning potential, freelancer level, $1,000, $3,000 per month. Small agency level, $5,000, $15,000 per month. Expert agency level, $20,000 plus per month. Transition line, if you're already spending hours on social media, why not turn it into a profitable business? Idea number 5, health, beauty, and wellness brand. Roadmap, choose a niche, skincare, natural beauty, fitness coaching, or wellness products. Create your own product, like organic soaps, oils, or fitness guides, or use white label products. Start branding, create a logo, packaging, and strong Instagram, TikTok presence. Use influencers and micro-influencers to spread the word. Expand by selling on Amazon, Shopify, or local markets. Example, Layla from California created her own organic skincare brand with only $500. She used TikTok to share DIY skincare tips while showcasing her products. One of her videos got 1M plus views, and she made $30,000 in sales in just 3 months. Earning potential. Beginner, $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Medium scale, $5,000 to $12,000 per month. Big brand, $25,000 plus per month. Health and beauty products are industries that will never die. If you've got passion, this could be your million-dollar idea. So there you have it, the 5 best small business ideas for women in 2025. From online coaching to food businesses, e-commerce, social media management, and beauty brands, these ideas are not only realistic but also have the potential to change your life. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and build step by step. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest financial and business insights. And tell me in the comments, which business idea are you most excited to start in 2025?